Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today, this Friday, the 22nd of October. So we are pretty much flirting with the all-time highs. You can see the structure I gave you yesterday, which was here at 35,505. Pretty clear that we've had a green bar above that, and we're now busy with the second green bar, and we are now flirting with the all-time highs. That's 35,647. For me, this inverse head and shoulders here is still very much in play. That's the structure. Let's leave it like that. Let's give us a bit conservative, and we're sort of looking at that area there at 36,400 as our ultimate goal. Oscillators at the moment are not agreeing with that structure. They're basically indicating that we need to pay attention to the levels that we are at the moment, which is the all-time high, and I'm pretty sure we are. So 3 hours not giving us anything else except the fact that the oscillators have come down and crossed over. So probably by looking at things at the moment, we're going to have a break. If not today, it's definitely going to be next week, looking for a break of the structure. Now, before we second guess that, let's just get down to the hour. So, your gut's one thing, but what we want is we want confirmation. So, the trade setup here is very, very simple. We are looking for a break and a retest of 35,647. I want price to go up, and I want it to come back, test it, and then start bouncing. That is your signal for the long. Alternatively, you're looking to buy off 35,500 again and keep your stop really, really tight. I would actually take the swing low of yesterday, which is 35,418. So if you put your stop in at 35,415 or 35,414 area, that should be enough. But what you're looking for is then a move back to the top of the range. I suspect we're going to sort of muck around here if I look at the DAX this morning. So until we get a clear break, it's sit on hands, and you'd probably do it on the 15-minute, to be honest. Now you can see most of yesterday was just all over the place, no real structure. And bear in mind, we came down to the 155 here, then we broke below it, broke above it. We haven't come back to 155 on the 15. So that to me just indicates we're more than likely going to have a move down. It's going to take quite a bit of effort to get through the all-time highs here, so I don't think that catalyst will be in the markets this morning out of Europe. I think it more than likely may happen this afternoon, or alternatively what's going to happen is we're going to wait for next week, because there's some really big earnings coming out next week. So most of the big the FANG stocks are next week. I think Monday, Tuesday and Thursday are the big days. Okay, anyway guys, that's kind of me at the moment. It's sit on hands, not really interested in chasing longs at this level. We have to be long because it's with the trend. So what I'm looking for is some kind of pullback onto structure, maybe onto the bottom of the range, give me the opportunity to buy back into it. What you could also get is a pullback onto this area here, which would also make sense. So there's a little gap down here as well. So this bottom of range probably makes sense as well. So that's 35,500 and 35,555. Just bear in mind it's the end of the week, so a close above 3,500 on the weekly is pretty bullish for the bulls as well. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy the weekend. Cheers for now.